In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the Pages panel on Squarespace. Whether you're just getting started with building your website or you're looking to fine-tune your site structure, knowing how to navigate the Pages panel is essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Squarespace and ensure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. This is the central hub from which you can access all the features and settings that Squarespace offers for your site. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click this icon and you'll be prompted to select the website you wish to work on. This is crucial, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. With your website selected, click on the Pages section in the menu. The Pages panel on Squarespace is where the magic happens. It's where you organize and manage the content of your website. As you enter this section, you'll notice a plus icon located near the main navigation label. Click on this icon to create a new page. This is a straightforward way to add fresh content to your site and keep things dynamic. When you click to add a new page, you'll be presented with a variety of options, one of which is a blank page. Selecting this option is great if you're looking to start from scratch, providing you with a clean slate to work from. After clicking, you will see your new page appear on the left side of your screen. From here, you can rename it to suit the content or purpose it will serve. Remember, giving your pages a clear, descriptive name can be incredibly helpful, both for search engine optimization and for visitor navigation. To reorder your pages, simply click and drag the new page up or down the list. This way, you can prioritize the information you want your visitors to see first, enhancing their browsing experience right from the start. Next to each page name, there's a settings icon. Clicking this icon opens up a variety of options within page settings, allowing you to duplicate the page, set it as the home page, or delete it entirely if it's no longer needed. Each of these actions offers flexibility in how your website is structured and presented to visitors. Looking down the panel further, you'll find a Not Linked section. This area contains pages that won't appear in your site's navigation by default, which can be useful for content you wish to publish but not immediately highlight. Don't hesitate to explore these features and make them work for your vision. Squarespace's Pages panel is a versatile tool that helps you maintain a well-organized, professional-looking website with minimal effort. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy website building.